Welcome to Richly Small, where we take a look at tiny living in a richly fulfilling way. In today's video, we will be looking at the GloCabin. The GloCabin is a 450 square foot cabin with a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, full kitchen and living area with a full dining space. It comes equipped with a full fridge, microwave, 4-burner stove, oven, and sink. We give this tiny house a 3.5 stars out of 5 for overall design because it is lacking some off-grid amenities and it seems like it was just built for an Airbnb stay. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.